Hello, this is everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another Diecast car video. And in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmacworks X RWB raw weld McGriff, the RWB 964, and this is the regular Hobby 64 lineup release. Not an event exclusive or anything, it's just the usual Hobby 64 release, of course. And in today's video, of course, we're gonna check this out, take a look at this lovely silver metallic 964 right here that I have. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. So first of all, we have the Tarmacworks logo and the RWB logo there, right, of course, and then RWB 964 here, and of course you do have the bottom half to be in black and top half to be in sort of like this grayish silver. Over on the top you do have the Hobby 64 logo. There is the car in the acrylic, very nice like that. And then moving towards the back right here, you do have Tarmacworks RWB. There are your social accounts, and of course moving towards the bottom, Tarmacworks RWB raw weld McGriff official licensed product 964 silver. There's your barcode if you need it, and made in China. So let's take a look first at the background of that paper box. So it does say raw weld McGriff, pretty much simple black colored background. And let's take a look at the car. So here it is, RWB 964 in this stunning looking sort of like glittery silver sort of a color. You can see it run under the light. It looks so nice, really unique color as well. So yeah, looking at the base, very simplistic but still very nice. So the base itself is in black, and then you do have the RWB logo right there, and then the other side we actually have mostly the silver color, and then it says Tarmac RWB 964. And of course you do have the car at the bottom here. You do have just a single screw and QC1 right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and actually unscrew this so that we can take a look at our RWB 964. I believe I've done a short video of this before, so I have actually opened it and of course made a video with it. But yeah, today would be the time for me to review it. So yeah, here's the 964 in silver metallic. Very nice. Wheels, if you're wondering, before I put it on the turntable, they do not roll at all. You can try to like move, but it's very hard to move it. It doesn't really move. So for that, I'd just like to mention that Hobby 64 is usually not meant to be a rolling sort of playable diecast model, how to say, category. Usually Global 64 does allow movability and also of course the rolling mechanism, but when it comes to this, it doesn't really roll. So yeah, if you're wondering, do Hobby 64 RWBs move or roll? They do not. They're just simply for displaying purposes, and obviously for you to display it in the box or on the base on its own, not for typical sort of like moving or rolling sort of playability or anything. No, it's not really meant for playing anyways. But yeah, here is the RWB 964. So it is based out of a Porsche 964 and turned into an RWB machine by Mr. Akira Nakai, which is the founder of raw weld McGriff RWB, and of course the founder of RWB. So quite a nice one. We haven't seen the 964 in quite some time. We've seen it before in a while ago, and then well, Tarmac had put the RWB to a halt a few years back, and just recently in 2024-2025 we've seen the RWB cars return to Tarmacworks. As yeah, last time there used to be frequent RWB releases before Tarmac has put RWB to a stop for a while. That made the prices of the older RWBs hike up, and now they're slowly getting reduced due to, of course, not very high demands anymore, and of course RWB has returned to Tarmac, of course, with the inclusion of Tarmac cards as well coming soon. And yeah, RWB has started to, of course, steal the spotlight in Tarmac as usual. But of course, here we have the 964, which is a nice looking model made by Tarmacworks and colored in silver. But yeah, before that, let's actually take a look at our casting before we continue with any other things. So let's start. Here we have the RWB 964 in silver. So we'll start off with the wide body right here at the back, which is very nice. Of course, you do have the white fenders, rubber tires with the silver outline, gold thread like rims. Now of course, like I said, they do not roll, so just if you're wondering. Black color door handles right there. You do have your plastic side mirrors right there, your side window, circular headlights right here, which are transparent. The Porsche logo right there. You do have some black trim right here. You even have some vents at the bottom, and you have your front splitter right there. Massive hood and some intakes here as well. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, left-hand drive, and you do have that roof right there. Oops, which is very nice. And here it is on the side, pretty much the same thing. Over on the rear window, you do have some sponsors right there, and you do have a lot of vents for your engine at the back. And of course, you have the double wing. Just if you're wondering, you do have your rear lip and also your top spoiler right here, colored in black, and your rear lip being in sort of the same silver right there. You do have your rear lights, your exhaust tips at the back. No license plate or anything, but yeah, there goes the back. Here over on the base, plastic base. Oh wait, yeah, plastic base. Tarmacworks RWB 964 made in China. So yeah, technically, of course, Hobby 64, they do have the plastic bases, whereas the Global 64 line usually have the metal base. So yeah, overall the silver metallic RWB 964 is quite a nice one to see. And yeah, there are plans from Tarmacworks to basically release and reveal the RWB series into Global 64. I cannot wait to see that. I believe they want to bring in the rolling wheels and also the cheaper price point for RWB, so that many more collectors can buy and also keep them in their collection. But so far, the ones that have been revealed is the 996. Wait, hold on. The 996, the 930, I think, that was revealed. And soon, I believe the 964, maybe in the future, who knows. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the RWB 964 made by Tarmacworks in collaboration with RWB on this silver metallic, beautiful looking RWB. Really do like it. But yeah, there you go. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.